Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Kumar. I'm pursuing artificial intelligence. So I created a multi AI startup builder platform. So I use Streamlit, Google Generative AI, Agno. Agno is Phi data. Phi data name is converted into Agno, so change into Agno. So it is mainly used for making multi-agent. Okay, it is mainly used. It is a framework used for multi-agent. Okay, making multi-agent models. Okay, so multi-agent, I imported Agno, then from Agno dot models dot Google import Gemini. Okay, so from this I load the Google API. Okay, and from Grapher I use this to plot, like as you see, as you see later. Okay, this is my .env Google API. Take care. Okay, so in this I initialize my first agent, that is idea enhancer agent. Okay, whenever a user drop their idea, this platform is mainly for building the startups to help people. Like for example, I come with an idea that I have to make a online baker shop. Like the user is ordinary person, they want to build and startup. Okay, they don't have resources but they have money. Okay, so they come to me, and I to my agent and tell their idea. So this agent will enhance their idea because their idea is raw. they have they have to know some technical knowledge. Okay, so the name idea enhancer agent, what it does is refine the enhance and I refine and enhance the user startup idea into a comprehensive description. Okay, comprehensive description. Let me, okay, then the model is Gemini. Okay, the instructions I give to this agent is analyze the user startup idea and provide detailed refined description. Okay, define real correct description, include potential market opportunity, target audience, and unique value propositions. Okay, okay. Then the next model is workflow developer agent. Like it manage the workflow. Okay, it tell us the what is the workflow required. Okay, I will tell it in a demonstration. Okay, working demonstration of my model. A workflow develop agent is the name. A role is develop a step-by-step implementation plan for the startup idea. Model is Gemini and instruction is create a detailed explanation workflow. Okay, and break down the plan into phases with clear milestones and deliverables. Okay, the third agent is resource analyst. What kind of resource is needed? How much resource is needed? The quantity of the resources. Okay, so resource analyst agent identify the necessary resource, skill set, and budget for this. Also tell us the budget. Okay, this is the main point. Okay, the model is Gemini again, and instruction I given a list the required resources. Example to tools, software, hardware, and other stuff. Third is, okay, we know the requirement that it tells us that we need a web developer, we need a marketer, we need a HR. Okay, so we have to hire. Okay, and we have to put the job descriptions on LinkedIn so the people can apply on it. And we have to recruit. Okay, so recruitment content creator agent is creating the content for posting post on LinkedIn. So content creator agent role is generate job postings for the role required to execute the startup idea. Okay, and then the model is Gemini. Instruction create a detailed job description for each role, including the responsibility, qualification, and desired skill. Whatever the resource analyst tell to the recruitment content creator, it create the content on that. Okay, then into interview question designer agent. So think, suppose we got the we got the candidates, candidate applied for our job postings on LinkedIn. Okay, then we have to take the interviews also. Okay, for that I am creating a voice agent for taking the interview, but till then we have to get the interview question. So interview question designer is creating interviews according to the job requirements. Okay, according to the job requirements which is posted on the LinkedIn. Okay, so it creates 10 to 5 questions on each position. Okay, then the evaluation agent validate the feasibility of a startup idea, evaluate. Okay, then the model is Google Gemini again. I use the Google Gemini model. throughout my project. Instruction analyze the market size, competition, and the potential changes, challenges. Provide the data-driven insight into to validate our answer. This is very important. Then the most important part is visualizing agent. It give us the charts by bar graph, flow chart also of the resource, of the money, of the budget, of the time also. The create an interactive chart and graph for budget, timelines, and resource allocation. Okay, visualize the workflow as flow chart, create chart for budget and resource allocation, generate well formatted tables for the data. Okay, this is the feedback. Then the feedback agent, if a user want to give some reviews, it collected. Okay. Export agent export the generated plans to external tools. Okay, export the workflow to Google Sheets. We got the Google Sheet code also by this export agent. Okay, then the helper function to handle the streaming responses. Okay, we are making a display streaming response function. Full response it code here. Okay, for chunks in response generator has a chunk content. Check if the chunk has a content attribute. Okay, full response plus equal to chunk will add full response plus chunk dot content. Okay, the placeholder is full. Okay, update the response in the real time the responses are updated, get uploaded. Okay, okay, with the time stimulating streaming time delay is 0.1 because we need time between the agents, huh? So create the flow chart. For creating flow chart I use gravis. Okay, graphics for creating the graph and plotty for plotting the graph. Okay, so then the streamlet, it's a simple streamlet app. Okay, so user have to give their idea here. Okay, then we have to write the response of every agent in this code. Okay, I take the helps of many AI agent tools and read the documentation and created this multi-agent. Okay, so I'm just putting st dot write, and I'm just displaying the content over in interview question placeholder. Every placeholder have their own content. Every agent gives them values or answers. So here it is placed. Okay, the response is here in the placeholder. Okay, then the feedback, क्या बोलते थे every agent give the response, and we just drop it by Streamlit. Here we see, here we give the dot plotty chart. Here we give the txt file of the budget. Okay, and then it is a simple Streamlit app, export plans, and then at last it gives if some everything goes well, it gives the startup plan generated successfully. Okay, so you will understand more by seeing my practical demo of the app. So this is the whole code and the explanation of the code. So I created this with the documentations and my logics and AI tools also. So I will tell the real practical implementation in the next video.